Hello, good morning, students. How are you all? Good and fine. Today we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. So let's start. What are the countable nouns? Most nouns in English are countable nouns. We can put a number before them. For example, 2 tables. Here you can see the word tables. We put a number before tables. Okay, so this is a countable noun. 2 tables. Okay, now another example, 5 chairs. We put the number 5 before chairs. 5 chairs. 3 pens, 4 lamps. Now you can see that we put a number before them and they are countable nouns. They have singular and plural forms. For example, singular 1 table, plural 4 tables. Okay, so they have singular and plural forms. Countable nouns have singular and plural forms. Another example, there are 4 chairs and 1 table in the room. Now, what are the uncountable nouns? Some nouns are uncountable. We cannot put a number before them like countable nouns. They have no plural form. They have only singular form. For example, some water, some food, some paper. Another rule for uncountable nouns. We use expressions like enough, much, some, any, little, a lot of, or plenty of before some uncountable nouns to indicate quantity. For example, give me some cheese, please. Sometimes we count the number of containers which contain these uncountable things to express quantity. For example, a glass of water, a can of cola, 3 packets of salt. Now look at here, a cup of tea. You can see in these examples a glass of water, a can of cola, 3 packets of salt, a cup of tea. Yes, look at first example. Yes, a glass of water. Here we put some water in a glass and the container is glass. Okay, so we can say a glass of water, a can of cola, 3 packets of salt. In this sentence, 3 packets of salt. What is the container for salt? Packets. Okay, now we can say 3 packets of salt. A cup of tea, a cup of tea. Now what is the container for tea? Cup. So we can say a cup of tea. Given below are some other uncountable nouns. For example, bread, a loaf of bread. Furniture, a piece of furniture. Hair, a few strands of hair. Ink, several bottles of ink. Tea, a cup of tea. Okay students, I hope through this video you have understood the topic of countable and uncountable nouns very well. Have a nice day.